I made it. Lots of rain, lots of cancellations, but here I am. First VIP day, pre-set up VIP day in Atlanta at AmericasMart. And check it out. Here's my booth, the 3D tunnel books. So exciting. Gonna be here all week. Oh my God, it's gonna be a long week on these concrete floors. Wear comfortable shoes. If I can't say it enough, wear comfortable shoes. Check it out, everything around me. I am in front of the candy section. The do-it-yourself craft section. Make real kombucha yourself. And a do-it-yourself cake in a greeting card? What? I don't know about that. And of course, my 3D tunnel books. Very exciting. Check in on TikTok to see more behind the scenes from AmericasMart. You get to see the latest, greatest, coolest products. I'm going to share what's going on this week, and you get to see products before they even hit the shelves. Shh.